Hello, my friends. Welcome to another episode of my analysis. Today, we want to take a look at Bitcoin. This is my 4-hour time frame, and we want to share some important market context that you can hopefully take advantage of. If you have been wondering how you can make some money from Bitcoin, so here is your opportunity. You should pay attention and act. This is my 4-hour time frame, and you can see on this 4-hour time frame that this market is moving in a broad channel structure. So this is a broad channel structure, and market is still flirting around the upper trend line of this structure. So but you see that this market tried to break out of this channel structure, and it's starting to have some problems, because you see that immediately this breakout happened. This is a breakout from this channel structure. You see that market turns to consolidation. This means that there was no strength for this breakout, that the bulls are getting weak. Because if there was strength, this breakout would have continued a bit longer. But immediately this breakout happened, you could see that the market started to range just above this channel trend line. So the market started to range. So this is telling you, this is a telltale sign that the bulls are weak. It is not that they are weak eventually, but that that you could have some cool off, some realization in this market context. So this is what it means. So if you zoom out, you will see the spectrum clearly. So this is a pin bar. Pin bar means bearish pressure. This pin bar also means bearish pressure because there were rejection from higher prices. So price tried to push up and it was rejected. Price tried to push up, it was rejected. And then you have these 3 consecutive bearish candles that all forming within this consolidation after this bullish breakout. So this is telling you that this market is cooling off. So if this market is cooling off, what do I expect? I'm expecting that this cool off should take this market to around this channel trend line. So this is my channel trend line that I have drawn. Sorry, this is my structural trend line that I have drawn. So I'm expecting this market to cool off and retrace, pull back, correct to this channel trend line. So I do not expect anybody to be buying from here. So do not think that don't be misled into thinking that this market is testing this channel trend line, and then you are thinking that this is a retest and then you want to buy. No, this market will push deeper, and it is expected that you should wait for this deeper correction to happen so that you can look for your buying opportunities. So this is exactly where I want to buy. So I want the market to push from this area to this area, and then I can look for buying opportunities. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame so that you can see this context clearer. So this is my 15 minutes time frame. This is my 15 minutes time frame, and you can see this context clearer. This is what I expect the market to do. So if you look at this 15 minutes time frame, you will see that this is a head and shoulder pattern. This is a head and shoulder pattern. This is the head, this is the shoulder, this is another shoulder, and this is the neckline. And this neckline, you will see that market is trading below this neckline and trading in a gradual dynamic fashion just below this trend line. So from my experience in the market, when you are having this kind of market playing out, if you are having this kind of contest playing out, it means that you should expect at least the next leg should be down. So I'm expecting the next leg on this Bitcoin chart to be down, and this is my optimal buying zone. So this is where I want the price to push to, and then I can buy. So I'm expecting price to push to this level so that I can buy. Now take a look at this low. This is the recent swing up. This is the recent swing up. This low is very significant. Now this is the dip that happened, and then you see this acceleration to the upside. You saw it on the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. So this is the acceleration. This is the 4-hour time frame. This is the acceleration. This was the retracement that happened earlier, and you see this acceleration to the upside. This is a bullish momentum that happened. Now creating this low, this low is very significant in this context. So should price ever approach this low, then we have to reevaluate our bullish context, because this low should not ever be challenged. So I don't expect this price to push and then challenge this low if this overall bullish contest is to hold. So this is my defended low. This is my significant low that I don't expect any price action currently to approach, to challenge. So I don't want price to challenge this low. So I'm expecting price to just push below this area to this trend line and then form some reversal spectrum, and then where I can have some bullish traction happening from here. So this is my overall near-term contest for Bitcoin, and I want you to pay attention to it and make some money from it. So if you are a seller, you should plan to sell, but take your profit from this area. So when you are selling, when you look for selling opportunities around this area, you should plan to take your profit around this area, because you have to be careful when you are selling, because the overall trend is bullish. So if you want to make money from short-term selling, so you have to pay attention and be careful, be vigilant, and then you can take your profit from this region. But for me personally, I'm not selling in this market. I am waiting to buy. So I'm waiting for this retracement to complete around this area, and then I can open my buy position. So this is my trading plan for Bitcoin, and I want you to take advantage of it and trade Bitcoin better. So I hope that you understand it. I hope that it is clear enough. I hope that it is simple enough. So remember that when a market is bullish, it does not mean that it will go there by flight. There will be ebbs and flows, and it is during these ebbs and flows that you have the bears making money and you have the bulls making money. So if you know what you are doing, you can make money as a bear and you can also make money as a bull. So it just depends on which side you want to position yourself. So for me, I'm positioning myself on the bullish side, and I'm waiting for price to push deeper so you can give me a better entry. But if you are a seller, you can also sell by looking for selling opportunities around this area, and then taking your profit around this area that I have marked. So this is a complete trading plan for Bitcoin, and I hope that you find it useful. I hope that it helps you trade better. So thank you and have a nice day.